So Arsh Paji की बनाने जा रहे हैं?
बटर चिकन रेगुलर बोल बना रहे हैं।
ये no fried chicken है, just boiled chicken है, right?
मैरिनेट करांगे सॉस ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ।
मैंने sauce marinate कर रहे हो। I think it's one of the most selling items होएगी।
Yes, बहुत favorite है Brampton ਦਾ।
तो ये small, medium size बनाया भाई?
Regular size,
regular size है, बड़ा size है।
Yes, large size भी ਹੁੰਦਾ। Start with cheese.
If I'm honest, there's no better feeling. Confirmation that people believe in the work that I do, man, I can't be defeated. Every day I see the future I lost. That's my brain linking up.
Red onions are in
You think we're good now?
Green pepper,
Buckle up, this is
capsicum.
only the start.
Then we'll put our jalapenos, advertise.
I could hardly contain my excitement.
Spicy poured in a few drops of tomato sauce
How could I ever stay silent?
and our cilantro lime.
ये भी depend करता है कि केड़ी
Yes. Sour cream and a little bit cilantro lime as well.
Best behavior in school, so the 9 to 5 was pending. Academic and I'm social, so the uni life was destined. Something was telling me no, bro, this isn't you. Stop the pretending. Now I got nearly 1 million following me. Talk about TikTok trending. Hertfordshire's finest. So lucky you think that I'm Irish. Come look me right in my iris. You'll see the reason behind this. I don't have time for no drama. I'm too busy living my life. And when I see the golden goal, trust me, I'ma be taking a strike. You know I've been trying to tell them that I have been on it from back in the day. I see it even when I'm sleeping, I can hear millions calling my name. It's a dream when you do what you love at the end of the day and you're still getting paid. So I'ma keep counting my blessings, nothing or no one can get